What's up, guys? Storminator09 here. Got another review to do on this new package I got from the Concealed Network. This is my flashlight that I got in. It's a tactical flashlight. Supposedly one of the brightest flashlights used for tactical. A lot of SWAT teams use them, and all the tactical type jobs that are out there, they use these type of flashlights. So I'm just going to cut open the box. I did get the top package, so it has a couple of other things in it, but we'll cut it open and check out what's inside. Okay, first thing that we have in here is an emergency poncho. Waterproof, windproof, cast polypropylene, withstands extreme cold weather, retains and reflects up to 90% of body heat for superior warmth, prevents hypothermia. So they sent me one of those in the pack. A flashlight that don't look like the flashlight I was supposed to get. That is definitely not the flashlight that I was supposed to get. Well, it's I don't think it's UVB, but it is a one where if you don't want to turn it on, got that on there. That annoying little thing. I don't know who wants to keep on doing that. I would just turn it on like this. Just like that. So yeah, it comes with that little flashlight. This is the one. Small. Really, actually really feels really durable. Really nice spring on there. Although I feel like it would be a little bit harder to get it on and off your belt just because of how tight that spring is. It's got a telescope piece on it where you can adjust the length of it, but it's got the little strobe light, which is pretty cool. Here soon I'll turn off the lights and show you how bright that is. This flashlight is supposed to be able to temporarily blind your attacker if you were to ever be in that kind of problem. So that's what that is. And then a headlamp. A high power headlamp, 3 times Cree T6. 3 bulbs, 1 CRE T6 plus 2 CRE T6. 4 functions, 1 light, middle, 2 light, both sides, all light, and then a strobe. and it uses two 18650 batteries, which is awesome because I vape, so I'll be able to use that. It comes with a charger, so it's chargeable, which is good, and a battery case, which is on the back, I guess. This right here is the charger. Pretty nice for a charger, I guess. And here is the headlamp. Oh, that actually looks pretty cool. Hell yeah, check that out. That's a bad motherfucker right there. I like that. They did say it was tactical, so I'm guessing this one is just like that little flashlight. Um, there's the big one. There's all of them. There's the strobe. So I'm going to turn out the lights in the house and I'll be back. Okay, so now all the lights are out in the house. I'm going to turn on the first one. Second, which is all of them. Or just the two on the side, I mean. And then the strobe, which is pretty cool. I'll use this for camping and fishing all the time. That's pretty sweet. I've been waiting to get one of those, or one of these, for a while. But, so there's that one. Here's the concealed flashlight. Alright. Big, straight to small. And it also makes like a design of some sort on the wall. So I'll try to... It does make some sort of design on the wall, I just can't really make out what it is. It's just like it looks like it's just a box. But it's like a design on there, which is pretty cool. So I'll be able to use that for camping also. It's pretty neat. Let's see. But there you go. Alright, I'm going to turn the lights back on and I'll be back. Alright, so what do I think of these lights? I definitely like the headlamp. It's really bright. Definitely be perfect for camping and fishing and whatever else you plan on using it for. This light, I like it. It's really small, perfect for if I ever had to, if it was night out and, for instance, I do not have night sights on my gun yet, which you already know I have ordered them. So I'm going to clear the gun before even messing with it. Clip is out. Round is out. It's pointed in a safe direction. Lock back. Alright. It's clear. You'll have already seen that. So, if I were to have to see in the dark, for instance, so I'll turn out the lights again and say I was in the middle of, so, they can't see the gun, but, now I can kind of see where I'm aiming. Now I can see where I'm aiming at if I have to. And you can't see my gun, so at that point, if it's dark out, like it's like if I'm out at night and I'm walking, I'm already blinding that guy, and I'm having enough time to pull my gun and react as needed. Hopefully, it never has to get to that point because I never want to have to do hurt anybody or kill them. Like I said, this is just a gun is the very last option you should ever have to use. For instance, if someone pulls a gun or a knife on you, then yeah, go ahead and use it. But if it's just one person and they're trying to beat you up or something like that, you should never have to pull your gun. That's just a last case scenario. Too many things can happen with a gun, even if you're not going to use it. You never know what could happen. So, yeah, that would be my last resort ever to go to, is my gun. But I've also heard that the police stations are also coming out with a supposed proven fact that if you were in the middle of, say, the city, and somebody were to start something with you, and you tried handling it the best way you could, and you don't have your hand on your gun, you don't have time to, or you're not going to pull it out right away because there's no danger. But the thing is if somebody were to rush you, and like, say I came up to you and told you I was going to kick your ass and whatnot, you say, "Sir, I have a gun. I'm not afraid to use it." Blah blah blah. The whole routine. And I tell you, "Okay, man, it's all good. It's all good." And I'm standing 10 feet away from you. Well, they're saying that there is no possible way that if I were to decide to rush you with a knife at the last minute, when you're least expecting it, you would not have enough time to pull that gun and shoot me. Now, I don't think that's as true as they are making it out to be, but I've also never had to I've never had to worry about that yet. So basically, they're saying that you have no chance in being able to pull your gun or draw your gun, point, and shoot, and that within those 10 steps. But at the same time, there's military out there that do that stuff every day. So how are they going to tell you that there is no way possible of somebody to pull their weapon if they have to in the last second? But that's what I like about this strobe light. It temporarily blinds them, or temporarily blinds them until you have that enough time to pull that gun if you have to. You guys already seen how bright it was. On camera, it doesn't look that bright. It just looks like a regular flashlight. But in person, it's really bright. It definitely knocks your sight off whack for a few seconds. But a few seconds is all you need. But yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. The stuff that I got in from what's that website called again? From the Concealed Network. So thanks for making cool stuff. for tactical reasons. And I have a feeling I'm going to have a lot of fun with this when I go camping in April. So, as far as I'm concerned, yeah, I would definitely, if you want this stuff, I would definitely go out and get the whole package like I did. Like I said though, with this flashlight, I'm not very impressed with this light right here. It seems like this is just something that they gave you extra to use. But yeah, if you're interested in ordering this cool ass headlamp, like I'm interested in it, I think it's awesome. Go to the Concealed Network and get it. It even works with a single 18650 battery. It only comes with one 18650. The other 18650, I guess you have to buy on your own, which is fine with me because I vape, so it's not hard for me to find 18650 batteries. Just going to any vape shop and I'm sure they have them. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the review. Like and subscribe. Possibly share it. And can't wait to see you guys next time. Peace.